If land animals such as cows, oxen, sheep, goats, etc. eat mainly plants and can get their adequate supply of protein from their foods, could we as humans do the same thing and get our adequate supply of protein from plants mainly? Without actually eating the animals that eat the plants? I wonder. Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Live Well with Coach P. And yes, I am Coach P. And today we're doing a 3-part series called Where Do I Get That From? And today we're looking at protein. So a lot of persons, may be looking at a plant-based or fully vegan diet and they're wondering, okay, if I gotta drop all the meat, I'm cool with that, but can I get enough protein on a plant-based diet? And the answer is, drum roll please, yes, you can. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because the research is there. All plants have protein because proteins are building blocks. Now the thing is, there are certain plants that have more protein content than others, so not all protein is equal within certain plants. But today what I'm going to do with you guys, I'm actually going to go through 6 of these categories, and then an extra 2 we're going to cover as well today, so that you guys can get an idea of where you can get your protein from. Like I said, if you're considering going on a fully plant-based, fully vegan diet, and you're like, okay, where am I going to get my protein source from? Alright, so these 6 categories, guys, are listed in my book, Transitioning Vegan and Roadmap to a Healthier Lifestyle. So if you guys want to check more information out about that, I'm going to leave the link to that on Amazon for you guys to take a look at that book. So number 1, we have grains. So these can either be gluten grains, so like your whole wheat, your barley, stuff like that, or it could be gluten-free, so things like buckwheat. So different types of grains, guys, you can use. Number 2, we have mushrooms. I just want you guys to be a little bit careful on this end, guys, because not all mushrooms are edible. There's some mushrooms that are very highly toxic, so stick to the ones that are edible. Everybody's on the mushroom and fungi craze now, so there are lots of companies who are selling grow-at-home mushrooms, or you can buy, the edible mushrooms from your supermarket or local farmer's market, but be sure to make sure you're eating edible mushrooms. So number 3, we have legumes, so things like your peas, your beans. Number 4, we have nuts. So of course, there's a wide variety of nuts, your macadamia, your walnuts, your almonds, your cashews, guys. There are tons of different types of nuts you can purchase. Number 5, we have vegetables. And then number 6 is your seeds, your pumpkin seeds, your sunflower seeds, different types of seeds, guys. And then my extra 2 categories, guys. Now these 2 categories aren't mentioned in my book, but you can get protein from these, guys. The only difference is that the reason why they're not mentioned in the book is because they're not as high in protein. So there are certain fruits that are high in protein as well, and then there are other herbs. So you cannot sit here and tell me, but where am I gonna get my protein from? Because you're like, I don't eat beans. That's fine, you got nuts. I don't eat nuts. Well, you got seeds. Well, if you don't eat anything, then I don't know what to tell you. But at least from today, guys, you would have realized that there are types of categories of different plant-based foods that you can get your protein on. Now, the difference is, guys, is that some plants, like I mentioned earlier, are higher in protein. So as you do your research, you will find out which plants are higher in protein and some that aren't, and then you can mix them together. So you can do a salad with your greens, and you can probably throw some vegetables. You can add your seeds, your nuts, so you can have fun with this thing, guys. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Click that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can be updated on when I release a new video every single week. Alright, guys, so for those who are interested in purchasing my book, it's on Amazon, on any Amazon website. So whether you're in Amazon USA, Amazon UK, India, wherever, just type in Amazon. You can search for the name of the book and you can purchase it in either an e-copy or you can purchase it as a paperback. And this will give you some more information, not just on proteins, but also if you're interested in transitioning, what to do, what to look for, what to expect. Alright, guys, until next week, where I'll be talking part 2 of where do I get that from. Bye-bye.